Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. In today's video we are going to understanding the differences between on-page versus off-page SEO. SEO is optimizing a website to improve its search engine ranking and attract more organic traffic. The types of SEO are technical SEO, optimizing website backend, local SEO, targeting specific regions, and e-commerce SEO, optimizing product pages. On-page SEO is optimizing individual web pages with quality content, keywords, meta tags, internal linking, and good user experience. On-page SEO benefits include improved user experience, higher rankings, increased traffic, better conversions, effective indexing, and content control. Off-page SEO is improving website authority through backlinks, social media, and online reputation management. Off-page SEO benefits include improved rankings, long-term results, increased referral traffic, brand awareness, and enhanced credibility. On-page SEO optimizes your website, while off-page SEO involves external factors. On-page improves user experience, off-page boosts authority. Quality content attracts backlinks, increasing organic traffic. Combine both for maximum SEO effectiveness. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more great content. See you next time.